Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to engrave a 2D portrait inside crystal using our 3D crystal engraving machine. First, press the power button, release the emergency stop switch, and turn on the fan. This device is called U. Transfer the photos to UV. Find your photos and transfer them to UV. Measure the crystal's length, width, and thickness. The measured thickness is 19 millimeters, width is 60 millimeters, and length is approximately 81 millimeters. Locate the photo we just uploaded in the job, then select the engraving template. In the template settings, input width and height values slightly smaller than the actual measurements. Note that the dimensions of this photo are 30 by 40 millimeters. Now we place the crystal on the workbench. Click Locate to adjust the position of the markings in the crystal. After completing the adjustments, click Print, and the machine will begin engraving. Here's the final result, a beautifully engraved 2D portrait preserved inside crystal. If you'd like to learn more or get this technology for your business, contact HeatSign today for details.